everyone, I am ZAINA Maryam. Today I am going to deliver the speech under the topic of Let's Plant Trees. Trees being living things give so many benefits to nature. By planting trees, a human gets so many benefits. Today, we know there is a lack of oxygen in India and so many peoples. This is a major problem today, but we should know oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis released by plants, so trees give oxygen so that we breathe. Dear friends, further parts of trees are being a major source of food, fruits, vegetables and leaves. We eat from trees and also trees beautify the environment. Just by looking at the greenish appearance of the trees, we get relaxed and mesmerized, so there are ample reason why we should plant trees. So finally, I would like to end up the speech by saying, let's plant trees to plant health in everyone. Thank you.